Hello students, welcome to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment on my channel. Now let us begin practice set 49 on page number 90. First question. Find the Pythagorean triplets from among the following sets of numbers. You have to find the Pythagorean triplets here, which I taught you in example today. Okay, now let us do the sums. 3, 4 and 5. Okay, you have to write the square of these three given numbers. 3 square means 3 threes are 9. 4 square is 16. 4 fours are 16. 5 square is 25. 5 fives are 25. Okay, square of the number you should know the table and then you have to do. Okay, now this 9 and 16, you have to add this two smaller number. After writing the square of the number, the answer one you have to add 9 plus 16. The sum of the square of the two smaller number should be equal to the square of the bigger number. Then it is a Pythagorean triplet. Now you have to add this. 9 plus 16 is coming 25. Okay, 16 plus 9, if you add 25 is coming. Now here 25 and 5 square is the square of the bigger number. 5 square is coming 25. Now the sum of the square of the two smaller number which I added here, 9 plus 16, 25 and 5 square 25. Okay, so it is coming equal. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16 is equal to 5 square is 25. Therefore, 3, 4 and 5 is a Pythagorean triplet because after adding 9 plus 16, answer is getting 25. 5 square, which is the square of the bigger number, is 25. It is coming equal. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So that's why it is a Pythagorean triplet. Now I will do next sum. Second one. 2, 4 and 5. Okay. First one, how I taught you, you have to do the same. 2 square means 4. 2 twos are 4. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. Now here two smaller number. After writing the square of these three given numbers, two smaller numbers 2 and 4. 5 is the bigger number. Okay. 2 square means 4. After writing square of the number, answer 1 you have to add. Okay. Not 2 plus 4 which is in question. After finding the square of the number, you have to add the answer 1, the square of the number. 4 plus 16 is coming 20. Okay. Then 5 square is coming 25. 20 and 25 you have to compare. The sum of the square of the two smaller numbers is coming equal or what to the square of the bigger number? No. 20 and 25 is not equal. So 20 is not equal to 25. 2 square plus 4 square is not equal to 5 square. Therefore 2, 4 and 5 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Next one. 4, 5 and 6. Now write the square of these three numbers. Okay. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. Okay. Now you have to take the sum of the square of the two smaller number. 16 and 25. Add this. 16 plus 25. How much is getting? 16 plus 25 is 41 after adding. Now you have to compare. The sum of the square of the two smaller numbers equal to bigger number or not? No. The sum of the square of the two smaller number is not equal to the square of the bigger number. Okay. Forty-one is not equal to 36. 4 square plus 5 square is not equal to 6 square. Therefore, 4, 5 and 6 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Now I will do next sum. 2, 6 and 7. Now write the square of these three given numbers. 2 square is 4, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49. Okay. 4 plus 36 is 40. The sum of the square of the two smaller number is coming answer 40. 4 plus 36 is coming 40 and 7 square is square of the bigger number. 40 and 49 is not equal again. So it is not a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. 40 is not equal to 49. 2 square plus 6 square is not equal to 7 square. Therefore, 2, 6 and 7 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Next one. 9, 40 and 41. Okay. 9 square is 81. 40 square. Here I multiplied here. 40 into 40, answer is coming 1600. Then 41 square is 1681. Okay. 81 plus 1600. Sum of the square of the two smaller number. 9 and 40 is the two smaller number. 41 is the bigger number. So, square of the number which you multiplied here, add it. 81 plus 1600. Here I added here. Answer is coming 1681. Now, the sum of the square of the two smaller number is equal to the square of the bigger number. Therefore, the given numbers is the Pythagorean triplet. Okay. 9 square plus 40 square is equal to 41 square. Therefore, 9, 40 and 41 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now we will do last sum. 4, 7 and 8. Four square is 16. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. Okay. Now 4 and 7 is the smaller number. 8 is the bigger number. Okay. Add this number 16 and 49. Okay. 16 plus 49, answer is getting 65. Now compare sum of the square of the two smaller number is equal or not to the square of the bigger number. No. 16 plus 49, answer is coming 65 and 8 square is 64. So it is not equal. Therefore, the given numbers is not a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. 65 is not equal to 64. 4 square plus 7 square is not equal to 8 square. Therefore, 4, 7 and 8 is not a Pythagorean triplet. We will continue next sum later on. Thank you.